have chapter 15 from your grammar and textbook, that is participles. Now before moving to participles, let's first understand or let's first revise about the verb. You all know what verb is. That is, verb is an action that is performed by the subject in the sentence. Means it is an activity which is going on in the sentence. Verbs ahead are classified into two types. That is, verbs ahead are classified into finite and non-finite verbs. Now what are non-finite and non-finite verbs? Finite verbs means the verb which changes according to the subject. Means it has its usage limited according to the subject parameter. Means what are the parameters set according to that? Means if the subject is third person, first person, second person, so means subject will be changed according to the person. If subject is singular or plural, it will also change. Or whether subject is in present, past and future, then also that will change. Means the verb which changes according to the subject are called finite verb, and verbs which do not change according to the subject are called non-finite verbs. So first we will start with finite verbs. Let's understand it clearly. Now what are the parameters? Finite verbs. Now what are the three parameters on which it is set? Tenses. Next is person. And the last one is number. Means whatever tense is there. Tenses you all know, past, present and future. Tenses means past, present, future. Person, first person, second person and third person. Whereas in this singular and plural. Singular and plural means finite verbs changes according to the sentence. Means if sentence is in past, present and future, it will change according to the tense. When first person, second person and third person are there, it will also change according to the person. And whenever singular and plural subject is there, so it will also change. Means the subject also means the subject जो भी है हमारा वो verb को affect करता है. That's why finite verbs change over that. Now let's see it an example. Now first we will take tenses and then example. Now here you can see I play cricket every day. Now here what you understand, this sentence is in present tense. What sentence is this? This is present tense. Means here play is a finite verb, whereas in the second sentence you can see it is past tense. I played cricket yesterday. So what is the tense of this? It is past tense. Means play has changed to played. Means according to the tense, subject is changed. So play and played are finite verbs. Now let's see it according to the person. I run a mile daily. Now I here is a the first person. So we have used run, right? So this is first person. Now he runs a mile daily. So he is here a third person. So according to the third person also the verb is changed. Means you can see the effect of the subject over here. Now let's see the last one, which is according to the number. Means whether subject is singular or plural. So we will see. Apple is a red color. Now here apple is of red color. Is here is a verb and apple here is a singular. Apple here is a singular. Now apples are of red color. So means here apples when become plural, the subject is also changing. So is and are here finite verbs. Now I hope you have understood clearly that how tenses, person and number affects the verb, and that verb are called finite verb. Now whereas when it comes to the non-finite verb doesn't have any change regarding person, tense or a number of a subject. Let's see this with an example. Now here we will see non-finite verb. Now non-finite verb doesn't change according to tense, according to person, means whatever subject is there, whatever it is in tense is there, non-finite verb doesn't change. It remains the same. Let's see one example. I found his office while walking on road. Now here in the sentence you can see there are two verbs, found and walking, and this is in present tense. Whereas when the tense change, he will find his office while walking on the road. Now here also you can see. Now when the tense subject tense in sentence का अगर tense change हो जाता है, when the tense is changed, so we have changed the first verb, that is found, and when subject tense is changed to the future tense, we have changed it into find. Whereas the second verb remains the same, means walking here remains the same regarding tense, whatever first present tense or future tense, means here walking works as a non-finite verb. So I hope finite and non-finite are clear in your mind. Now let's see. Finite, non-finite verbs are further classified into three types. That is, non-finite verbs are classified into gerund, participles, and the last one is infinitives. Infinitives. Today in this lecture we will go through what participles are. Means we will learn what participles are. Gerund and infinitive we will continue in our next lecture. So let's start with participles. What are participles? Participles are the main verb in the sentence. Means they are not main verb, and they also does, means they do not work as a verb in the sentence, means they does not function as verb. Instead, they function as adjective in a sentence. They function as adjective in a sentence. Now, means participles are, means you have to remember these 3 points to identify the participles. It is not the main verb in the sentence. It does not function as a verb. Instead, it functions as an adjective. Means being a verb also, it does not function as an verb. It functions as an adjective. They are further classified. Participles are classified. Participles are classified into present and past. Participles further are classified into present participle and past participle. Now here first we will see what present participle is. Present participle is the verb plus ing. Means verb plus, means the base form of the verb and with ing, and main thing, it function as an adjective. And past participle is the third form of the verb. What is past participle? Past participle is the third form of the verb and it also functions as an adjective in the sentence. Let's see this with an example. I really like the dancing doll. Now here in this sentence, like is a main verb, right? This is a main verb, means, and dancing here is a participle because it is describing the doll. Means it is a verb but it functions as an adjective in the sentence. So this dancing is present participle. Let's understand one more. I jumped from the running train. Here also main verb is jump, and running here is a present participle. Now as it describes the train, so it works as an adjective, right? And it is present participle. Let's see example of past participle. As I have told, past participle means the third form of the verb. You all know it clearly that verb is having 3 forms, first, second and third. So third form is also called past participle. So the broken glass cut my foot. Now here cut is an main verb. What is this? Cut is a main verb, whereas broken, which is the third form of the broke, it works as an adjective of the glass. Means it is describing the glass, right? Glass broken. How is the glass? Glass is broken, and it is also an adjective which works. But it is also a verb which acts as an adjective. Means it is describing past participle. Means the glass is broken and it is past participle. I hope present and past participle are clear to you all. So till then, till our next lecture, have a nice day.